Hey guys, I'm just posting this video today about the 2019 GLI. It seems that these cars have a somewhat common problem with the limited slip by the DSG leaking. This car particularly has only a couple thousand miles and it's getting a little bit of oil leak. So we were doing the downpipe today, which abruptly got ended, which is okay because we got to take care of what's more important than just the fun. So the car's going to go back together. Downpipe's not going in. That's going to be for another weekend or something when we have time to get that put in. And he's going to get this leak taken care of. I'm going to show you basically what it looks like, where it's coming from. So if you have one of these, maybe go under there and take a look and get it taken care of before you decide to modify it or just even drive it normal, because eventually that's going to come to bite you in the ass. Definitely take care of it. It's a real problem that could get worse. Maybe it won't, but better safe than sorry. If you're under warranty, take care of it. Don't leave something like that, as you know, it's just not worth it at all. So I'll take you guys under the car, I'll show you what it is, and we'll go from there. Guys, so we got the V-band off. Pretty simple, came right off, but we encountered a problem. Has nothing to do with the downpipe. We discovered upon looking, when we pulled the heat shield off, he's got an aluminum one to protect for that plastic oil pan. There's oil. And we did a little research, and it seems like that it's coming from the tranny and the limited slip from the DSG. So I'll show you under the car what's going on. So we're not going to put the downpipe in just yet because, sorry about that, because we got to take care of this oil leak. The oil leak is coming from here. Let me try to show you the camera the best I can. Right there, next to this black bar. Try to show you with my finger. Next to this black bar right here, up in there. See all the oil? So he's gonna have to take the car in. We're gonna have to abort mission for now, get this taken care of before we put the downpipe in and they try to deny any warranty claims. So we're gonna get this taken care of and then we'll put the downpipe in. So guys, check your cars. This seems to be a common problem. After doing a little research, it's not the first one with low mileage was to happen. Some other guy on a forum said he had 2,000 miles on his car and it had the same oil leak and they had to replace the seals. Tranny's working fine, everything's working fine, just getting some leakage. So that's where the leak is coming from. If you have any questions regarding this or whatever, like, comment, subscribe. We'll bring more content to you regarding both the Accord and my Accord, sorry, and the GLI. So we're getting more content with both cars, doing more things, and we're gonna get this one sorted out first. My car, I'm still deciding what I'm gonna do next to it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Take care.